Hi, wanna know how to lock apps with lock on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12? So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and here scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named apps. Click on it and here go to this tab which is named app lock. Here we would need to turn on this feature by clicking on this big green button. And as the next step, we would need to set our password, which is pattern. That means that we would need to draw any combination of the dot connection and now release our finger. Now we would need to draw the same pattern to confirm the password and click next. As a next step, we are getting suggested to sign into the Xiaomi account to be able to reset password, but I'll click just not now and wait these 3 seconds to continue by clicking not now. And this is it. As you can see here, we got some suggested applications that we can protect because you can see this text which is saying that 97% of users protects these apps. So let's log all of them by clicking use app lock. And now we are also getting suggested to set fingerprint unlock. We can click cancel or click settings to set it up, but I'll click cancel and this is it. Now you can see that I got some of the applications locked here and under this I got list with unlocked applications. And now let's finally test it. So as you can see, I got messages locked and if I will click on them now, you can see that I'm getting suggested to add Xiaomi account again. I'll click cancel and we can see that to go to this application we are required to draw the pattern, and if I'll draw it I'll get right in there. And this is it, how it works. Now is only one question left and that's how to unlock applications. So we would need to go back to the app lock tab and here just simply click on this blue slider until it will turn gray. And now this application is unlocked. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.